guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Priyanka and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Oh my god, it's been so long I have created a makeup tutorial. I feel it's like forever. But I'm here today with a Valentine's Day look. It's very simple. It's like on the go. You can do this in 5 minutes with very minimal products, and even the base is very simple. I haven't applied too many products, so you should give it a try, and I should stop talking and I should show you guys how I created this look for this Valentine's Day. As you can see guys, I have already done my base. I have prepped my skin, I have applied my base and everything is done. My skin is all prepped and I have kept it very glowy and very natural. You can still see my skin, but it's like little bit of glowy and all, just so perfect for Valentine's Day. And now let's just hop into my eyes and I'll just create something really special for our Valentine's Day. So first I'm going to use this palette from Anastasia Beauty. I'm going to start with this shade Supreme. I'm going to just use this shade to warm up my crease. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm back. Yes, we'll just use the shade Supreme to just warm up my crease. You know, it's Valentine's Day and I have to use a little bit of pink and red shade because it's all about that. So I'm just going to warm up my crease a little bit. What guys, yes, I wanted to address few things. I have got like so many messages from you guys on Instagram. You guys were asking me about me shifting back to India. So let me clear it out. No, you guys, I haven't shifted back to India. I still live in LA. It was just a vacation I took. It was it was a family function and we really wanted to be there with our family. So we just took a few days off for a vacation. So yeah, I haven't shifted back to India. I'm still here in LA. So yeah, I'm done with the crease thing. As you can see, it's not too harsh, but you know what, I'm thinking maybe I'll just blend it a little more. Not with this brush though. I'll take a clean brush, yeah, and I'll just blend it like really nicely. And one more thing guys, so many of you were asking me whether I'm promoting traveling during COVID. Okay, during COVID. I don't know what is wrong with me today. I can't talk. Okay, let me just, yeah, now I can talk. So yeah, so many of you guys have pinged me and you guys were saying I'm promoting traveling and all. First of all, it's such a sensitive topic to talk about, and the thing is, I'm not at all promoting traveling guys. I do not recommend anyone to travel during the COVID. And you know what, if I had to take a vacation, like real vacation, then I would have definitely went to anywhere around the world. But it was a family function, so I went home, and you know what, we were very conscious. We did our COVID test before traveling, we did our COVID test after we are here, and even while we started our trip, then also we took our COVID test twice. So we were very careful. I do understand like this is not a normal situation to travel, but we gotta do what we got to do. So yeah, just a thing, be safe. You do not have to travel in this time for sure. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the crease. It's not too harsh. It's very warm. So now I'm going to take okay, I can't find my liner. Give me a second. here it is. I'm using this Chanel purple liner, and I'm going to create a wing effect with it, but not the traditional wing liner effect. I'm just going to give it a soft wing, very little. You know what, I'm just going to apply it on my outer corner of my eyes. I'm not bringing it to the inner corner. And you don't have to be very careful while applying this, because we will blend it. And I'm just going to take a brush. Try to use a very thin angle brush so it would be easy for you guys to blend it. This is the first time I'm using this liner, and to be quite honest, you guys, I'm not happy with it. It's not that purpley. I was expecting a little more purple, to be quite honest. Just adding a little more so that maybe the purple would show a little bit at least. Okay, let's just blend it. Now I'm going to take the same pencil from Chanel, and I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. Not fully, I'm just applying it on the outer corner of my waterline. Now I'm going to take some ginger over here, and I'm just going to apply it under my waterline, you know, so that it will be a little smudged and it will look good. This is such an easy makeup look, you guys. You can really create this in like 5 minutes, and I'm using very basic color, which like I'm sure you guys can find in most of the palette you have, so it would be very easy to recreate this makeup look. You know what, just one more thing I'm going to do. I'm just going to take a little bit of purple shade over here, the big wig. I'm going to use this shade because I'm just not happy with the purple liner. It's actually not at all purple, which is like very frustrating. I'm going to use this shade over here. It's called Salmon. It's basically a little bit of gold sparkly, which I'm going to just add a little bit on my eyelid. Not too much though. I want to keep it very natural. So keep in mind, you just don't put too much, very little. Just to get that, you know, a little bit of sparkly. Now we're all done with our eyes. Oh, just one more thing. I'll take a highlighting color and I'll just apply it on my inner corner. Which one should I use? I think I'll take here this one right here. I'll just take, oh my god, I hope my camera focus. Yes, I'll just take this shade a little bit and I'll just highlight my inner corner. Now I'm just going to use a lash curler and I'm just going to curl my lashes, because today I'm not going to use any false lashes and all, because I'm keeping it very natural. I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm using this Maybelline mascara, and I'm just going to apply it. And when I'm applying the mascara, I'm making sure I'll just apply a little more on my outer corner of the lashes, so that it will give that little bit of catty eye look, which is like really flattering and it looks very romantic. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm all done with my eyes, you guys. My eye makeup is done. Now I just have to do one more thing. I just have to put some color on my lips, and for that I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and it's in shade Super Candy. It's a very nude shade, but it does have a little bit of purple tone to it, so it's not like too much bland in my skin tone. I really love this lipstick. Oh, I was just finding a mirror so I can just apply it. To put a little bit of gloss on my lips, and for that also I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Rose Jewel lip gloss. Just going to apply a little bit. I'm a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury lipstick because their nudes are so good. You go, guys, we are all ready for our Valentine's Day date. So I'm all done, you guys. This was it for today, and honestly, if you guys like this video, then I really hope you guys subscribe to my channel, and do give this video a huge thumbs up, and do share it with your friends, girlfriends. Even if you're not going out, then even I'm not going out this time for a date for Valentine's Day due to pandemic. I totally understand, but still we can dress up and we can have a date thing at our home for sure. So do try this makeup look, and do let me know how you feel about it. Comment below and tell me all your Valentine's Day plan. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.